Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you could achieve these big voluminous curls. It is super easy, so before we get started with the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and section your hair into two parts just to make things a lot easier, and then the lower section you want to go ahead and separate it into four, so two on each side. And the curling iron I am using today is the 32mm wand by Nume. You really want to make sure you're using either 30mm or something larger if you want to achieve a loose voluminous curl, because if not you're probably gonna get something really tight. So I would recommend using a 32mm or large. So basically what you want to do is you want to grab the hair piece and you want to curl your hair outwards. Don't curl it towards your face, curl it away from your face like I did. And then you want to, when you release the curl, you want to grab it in your hand and then you want to go ahead and pin it. It is very important that you pin the curl. This basically helps your curl set better, and you don't really even need to use hairspray, because when you pin the curl it really helps the curl set better and not lose its curl. Basically that's what happens if you just release the curl and let it loose. So you want to make sure you pin your curl. So you want to continue doing this. You want to grab normal size sections. I'm not grabbing really tiny sections because I don't want a lot of curliness. If you want more defined curls, then you could grab smaller sections, but I'm just grabbing regular size sections like this. And you want to continue curling your hair away from your face outwards, and you want to hold the hair in place for around 10 seconds. And when you release the curl, you want to grab the curl from the other hand and you want to directly pin it. So that is what I'm doing. Same technique, and I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my entire hair, because I used to struggle with sectioning the hair properly, and I really find working with smaller sections much more easier. So every single time I grab a section, I'm only grabbing the amount of hair I need, and that really helps me curl my hair much more easier and faster. So the same thing I'm doing all over my hair. Curl away from the face, curl outwards, and release the hair, grab the hair and pin it. So that's what I'm doing. And now I've curled all my hair. You can go ahead and use some hairspray if you want, and then you just want to let your hair stay like this for a bit. You can do your makeup or you can just chill. do whatever you want. Just let it sit there for at least 10 minutes, and then you want to go ahead and slowly, gently release the curls, remove the pins and release the curls. And after that, you can again use some hairspray if you want, but I am not using hairspray because honestly it's not even necessary, because when you pin the curl, like I said before, it just helps the curl set much better, so you really don't even need hairspray, but it's totally up to you. So once you are done releasing all your curls, you can go ahead and kind of mess with the curls. You can brush through the curls if you want. You can use your fingers and just mess with it and loosen up the curls a little bit. So that is all. It's super simple. This is how I achieve big fluffy curls. It's super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a comment down below, thumbs up this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.